Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 6th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Daksha Prajapati praising Sriman Narayana with Hamsa Guhya Stotram. The prayer is known as Hamsa Guhya Stotram. Let us also try to repeat that. Namah Paraya Avitadha Anubhutaye Gunatraya Abhasa Nimitta Bandhave Adrishtadhamne Gunatattva Buddhibhihi Nivruttamanaya Dadhe Swayam Bhuve. Namah Paraya Avitadha Anubhutaye Gunatraya Bhasa Nimitta Bandhave Adrishtadhamne Gunatattva Buddhibhihi Nivruttamanaya Dadhe Swayam Bhuve. Second sloka. Nayasya Sakhyam Purusho Vaiti Sakhyuhu Sakhavasan Samvasataha Puresmin Guno yedha gunino vyaktadrustehe tasmai maheshaya namaskaromi. Nayasya sakhyam purusho vaiti sakhyuhu sakhavasan samvasatah puresmin guno yedha gunino vyaktadrustehe tasmai maheshaya namaskaromi. Om. Daksha Prajapati praising Sriman Narayana like this. Ho Devadeva, Ho Sriman Narayana, you are beyond this nature. You have Sankalpa Shakti, willpower. You have wisdom. You are an embodiment of wisdom. And also you are the controller of this entire universe. Those who are drowned in this mundane pleasures can never realize you. O Sriman Narayana, you are the cause of everything, but there is no cause behind you. Such, O Sriman Narayana, I do namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, in every body along with the soul, you are there. And you are the master of this entire universe. You will be controlling the sensory organs of that particular soul when that soul is in the body. But that soul never realizes that. Like that, you are the ultimate controller of, supreme controller of each and every being, each and everything in this entire universe. Such, O Paramapurusha, I do namaskaram to you. Like that, Daksha Prajapati praising Srimannarayana. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.